Hello everyone, welcome to new class. Today's class is about matrices. So this is an important topic for the engineering mathematics classes and also for the plus 2 mathematics classes. So let us go through the classes. So what is matrix? So a matrix is a set of numbers arranged in rows and columns so as to form a rectangular array. And here the numbers or functions are called the elements or entries of the matrix. Here the matrices are denoted by capital letters. For example, let the matrix A is equal to, it is represented like this. So let it is equal to minus 2, 5, then 0, root 5. So this is a matrix A. Also, and here the numbers are arranged in rows and columns. So this is a square matrix and it can be like this. So if there is another row, then it is a rectangular array. And here these numbers are called elements or entries. Also another example is B is equal to, so matrix B is equal to 1 plus x, then x cube, then 3 cos x sin x plus 2, then tan x. So this is also another matrix. So here these are functions. So these are trigonometric functions and these are binomial functions. So any functions or numbers can be represented as the elements or entries of the matrix. Then next is order of a matrix. Order of matrix. So what is order of matrix? So a matrix is having m rows. So there will be m rows and n columns. So a matrix having m rows and n columns is called matrix of order m by n. So this is called m by n. So this is the order of matrix. So order of matrix means rows by number of rows by number of columns. So m is the number of rows and n is the number of columns. So this is a matrix of order. So here there are 3 number of rows. So this is a matrix of order 3 by and 2 columns. So 2. So this is 3 by 2 matrix and this is equal to, there are 2 rows. So 2 by and 3 columns. So this is 2 by 3 matrix. In general, we can represent an n by n matrix like this. So A is equal to A11, A12, A13, etc. A1j, etc. A1n. Then second row A21, A22, A23, etc. A2j, etc. A2n, like that. AI1, AI2, AI3, etc. AIJ, etc. AIN. Then AM1, AM2, AM3, etc. AMJ, etc. AMN. So this is an m by n matrix. In general, we can represent A is equal to matrix Aij order m by n, where 1 less than or equal to I less than or equal to m, also 1 less than or equal to j less than or equal to n, where I and j belongs to the natural numbers. So here the ith row, so this is ith row. So this the ith row elements consist of ai1, ai2, i3, etc. ain. Similarly, the jth column consists of elements a1j, a2j, etc. amj, like this. So in general, aij, so this is aij. So this aij is an element lying in the ith row and jth column. Also, what will be the number of elements in an m by n matrix? So the number of elements in m by n matrix is equal to m into n. So that is a 3 by 2 matrix. So what will be the total number of elements? 3 into 2, that is 6 number of elements are there in the first matrix A. So similarly, if there is an m by n matrix, then the total number of elements in m by n matrix is equal to m into n, that is the number of rows into number of columns. Let us do a problem. Construct a 3 by 2 matrix whose elements are given by aij is equal to 1 by 2 modulus of I minus 3j. So here this is a 3 by 2 matrix. So what will be the 3 by 2 matrix? So 3 by 2 matrix means it will be having 3 number of rows and 2 number of columns. So it will be equal to a11, then a12, a21, a22, a31, a32. So this is a 3 by 2 matrix. And here elements are given by aij is equal to 1 by 2 modulus I minus 3j. So here I is equal to, so I is rows. So I is equal to, there are 3 number of rows. So 1, 1, 2, 3. So I is equal to 1, 2, 3 and j is equal to, so here there are 2 number of columns. So that is 1 and 2 only. So 1 and 2 only the number of columns and 1, 2, 3 are the rows. Now put the values of 1, 2, 3 and also 1, 2 in this equation to find the number of elements or the elements of this matrix. So A11, put I and j equal to A11. So A11, A12 up to A32 we have to find. So A11 is equal to 1 by 2 into modulus of I minus 3j, that is 1 minus 3, that is equal to minus 2. So modulus of minus 2. So modulus of minus 2 means it is 2 into 2 equal to 1. Then what is A12? Next A12 we have to find it, that is modulus of 1 minus 6. And here we will get minus 5 by 2, that is 5 by 2. Then A21 we have to find 1 by 2 into I minus 3j means 2 minus 3, that is equal to, this is minus 1, that is 1 by 2. Then A22, that is 1 by 2 into 2 minus 6, that is minus 4, that is 4 by 2, that is 2. Then A31, that is 1 by 2 into 3 minus 3 and that is equal to 0. Then A32 is equal to 1 by 2 into 3 minus 6 and that is minus 3 here. So 3 by 2. So these are the elements of the matrix A. So A is equal to, first one is 1, then 5 by 2, then 1 by 2, 2, 0, then 3 by 2. So this is the matrix A. That is Aij is equal to 1 by 2 modulus of I minus 3j. So in this way we can find the elements of a matrix. Next is types of matrices. First one, column matrix. So a matrix is said to be column matrix if it has only one column. So A is equal to 0, root 3, minus 1, 1 by 2. So here there are only one column here. So this is a column matrix. And what will be this order of this matrix? So there are 4 number of rows and only one column. So this is a 4 by 1 matrix. So in general, if there are m number of rows and only one columns, then we can say m by 1 will be a column matrix. Then next one is row matrix. So a matrix is said to be row matrix if it has only one row. So here B is equal to minus 1 by 2, root 5, 2, 3. So here there is only one row here. And what will be the order of this row matrix? So here only one row, then 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 number of columns. So if a matrix is having n number of columns and only one rows, so in general we can say row matrix is of the order of 1 by n. Then next is square matrix. So what is square matrix? A matrix in which the number of rows and number of columns are equal. It is called square matrix. That is, if M is equal to N, it is called square matrix. So if an M by N matrix is said to be a square matrix if M is equal to N. And we can say that the square matrix is of the order of N because M is equal to N. So we can say the order of square matrix is N. So for example, A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 1 by 2, minus 4, 0, root 2, 1, 5. So here the number of rows and the number of columns are equal to 3. So this is a matrix of order 3. Next is diagonal matrix. A square matrix is said to be diagonal matrix if all its non-diagonal elements are 0. So non-diagonal elements means, so in the case of this matrix, so remember that diagonal elements are in the case of square matrix only. So in this case, this is called the diagonal of the square matrix. So this is the diagonal of the square matrix. So diagonal matrix means a square matrix in which all its non-diagonal elements. So non-diagonal elements are these three and these three in the case of 3 by 3 matrix, and in 2 by 2 matrix this one and this one. So this is diagonal elements. So if all the non-diagonal elements are equal to 0, that square matrix is called diagonal matrix. So examples are A is equal to 4. So if only one element is there, it is also a square matrix of order 1. Then B is equal to minus 1, 0, 0, 2. So this is a square matrix of order 2. and C is equal to minus 1.1, 0, 0, 0, 2, 0, 0, 0, 3 is a square matrix or diagonal matrix of order 3. Then next is scalar matrix. So a diagonal matrix is said to be scalar matrix if its diagonal elements are equal. So scalar matrix is same as the diagonal matrix, but here the diagonal elements are equal. So all other elements are 0. So examples are A equal to matrix 3, B equal to minus 1, 0, 0, minus 1, C equal to root 3, 0, 0, 0, root 3, 0, 0, 0, root 3. So here the diagonal elements are equal. So in general we can write B is equal to matrix Bij with order n by n or simply n. So this diagonal element or diagonal matrix is scalar if Bij is equal to 0 if I not equal to j. So I not equal to j means other than the diagonal elements, and Bij equal to k. So it is same. So the diagonal elements are same if I equal to j. Next is identity matrix. So a square matrix in which the elements in the diagonal are equal to 1 and all other elements are equal to 0, then it is called identity matrix. For example, if A is equal to matrix Aij m by n, then elements Aij is equal to 1 if I equal to j and equal to 0 if I equal not equal to j, then it is called identity matrix. So identity matrix is also will be a square matrix, so in which the diagonal elements are equal to number 1, all other elements are equal to 0. Examples are A equal to matrix 1, then 1 0 0 1, then matrix 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Next is zero matrix. So what is zero matrix? So a matrix is said to be zero matrix or null matrix, also called null matrix, if all the elements are equal to 0. Examples are A equal to matrix 0, also matrix 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 0 0. So this is a 2 by 2 matrix and this is 2 by 3 matrix and this is 1 by 2 matrix. So zero matrix need not be a square matrix. So here all the elements are equal to 0. And here identity matrix is represented by the letter capital I. Also the zero matrix is represented by the letter O. So that is about the matrices. So in the next class we will learn more about the matrices. So thank you for watching the class. If you like the classes, please like, share and subscribe my channel.